Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are solving LeetCode problem 1578, which is the minimum time to make rope colorful. So let us understand the question in very simple words. So see what here in the question is given that we have a rope with some balloons on it. Each balloon has a color given in a string called colors. Okay, so there is a string which is called as color, which is given to us, and in that we are given some kind of like balloons with different kind of colors, and removing each balloon takes some time. And it said that while you remove some balloons, it takes some time. And as it takes some time, uh, like removing each balloon takes some time, it is given in the array, which is the needed time is nothing but a time which is taken to like remove the rope. Okay, so now the rule is no two, like here the rules is given that no two of the balloons, or like no two balloons next to each other can have the same color. So if two or more same color balloons are together, we must remove some of them, and our goal is to make the rope colorful by removing like the balloons in minimum total time. Okay, so now if I have to, there are three examples given to us for better understand. So in the first example it says like color equals to ABAC. So ABAC, it is the color given, and the needed time is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we can see that ABAAC, there are, we can see two A's here which are consecutively coming together, and needed time at the index 2 and 3. So this is index number 2, index number 3, because 0th index, first index, second index, and third index. So third and second is the A balloon. We can remove one of them, and removing the one that takes less time, which is the 3 second, which is the uh, basically which is at the index 2. So it is going to take the 3 seconds, because this is 1 second, 2 second, and 3 second. So now all neighboring balloons are of different kind. If we remove this one, so blue, red, blue, green it will be. Now coming to another example. In this example, it is given as A, B, C, and read time is 1 2 3. As you can see, the ropes are already in colorful manner. There are no consecutively any balloon with the same color, so we do not have that need to remove any kind of the balloon from there. Now coming to the third example, which is AABB, AABAA. So in this, we the needed time given is 1 2 3 4 and 1. 1 2 3 4 and 1. Okay, so our output is 2. Why I'll say, because here at the start we have two A's, here we have two A's, and at the end of the side we also have again two A's. So we have to remove one from here and one from here. So as we need lesser time, so this one we will remove, which is 1, and even from the last we will remove, as it takes 1 second, so 1. Consecutively, the answer is 2 seconds. Simple logic is, whenever we find a group of same colors, okay, balloon in a row, we will add up all their times and keep the one with the highlighted time, because removing it cost more. Remove the rest, cost equals to total sum, which is the maximum time. And that's how the total answer. So now we are going to complete our code. As usual, I'll first completely write the code and make you guys explain that. So till then I'll switch off the mic so that I can concentrate on writing and then explain you the code line by line. So here I ended the question, sorry, ended the coding of the question. First we'll run it and see if all our cases are running. Yes, then we'll submit them and I'll explain you the code. So yes, all the three cases are exceptionally running, which is a very good thing. And here goes the third case. Okay, so we'll submit the code. Already I submitted it today, so because I had some time at that time, I was not able to make the video, so I'm making it right now. So here what happens is we go one by one through the balls. If two same colors are next to each other, we will remove the cheaper one. Here what we have did, we have taken a for loop. In that we have put a if condition, where if there is the same kind of uh, color balloon, it will get removed every single time. So minimum and maximum time it will be removed. So if two colors are next to each other, we remove the cheaper one, add its time to total, and we keep the more expensive one. That's it, simple and clear. So the time complexity is O of n, and the space complexity is O of 1, and that's how we make the rope colorful in the least time. If you found this video easy to understand, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple lead code explanation. Thank you.